I believe our brand new puppy probably picked up kennel cough at his very first vet appointment. I put him down on the floor in the examination room waiting for his exam. He got his second distemper and Bordetella. He got that orally. We have another dog who's 6. Everybody was fine. Fine. They've been playing together, wrestling, playing. His vet appointment was Wednesday. Thursday night, our older dog starts coughing and hacking up white foam. We're like, that's weird. Watched it. This morning, the puppy, who will be 12 weeks tomorrow, the 23rd of September, he'll be 12 weeks, just started it this morning. So in researching and Googling and ruling things out based on symptoms, I have been so careful. This puppy has not been anywhere. Anywhere. The older dog hasn't been anywhere. Except for we took the puppy to the vet. So, how is that even possible? How is that? So now our older dog has it. The puppy is starting with it, even though now, okay, so the puppy was just vaccinated. Are they going to collide? Is he protected? So I don't want to call and chew out the vet. But on the other hand, are you serious? Like, are you serious? I know parvo was worse than kennel cough, but come on, dude. So that means what? Everybody that went in that room's dog's going to be exposed to kennel cough? Do I call? I don't know. But yeah, the puppy started with it this morning. Good. Great. Good. Great. Fantastic. It's fantastic.